Hello friends, welcome back to another video where I'm going to unbox few important things which are critical for making good travel vlogs. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel to watch many more upcoming videos. Okay, so these three products are the Mic Mini transmitter, Shorty tripod extension, and the hero product is our GoPro 13. So मैंने कहाँ से ऑर्डर किया, कैसे ऑर्डर किया, so बने रहिए इस वीडियो में एंड तक and please do like, share and subscribe to the channel as lot more videos are coming up. So let us first start with the unboxing of this tripod. Okay, so let's open this and see what we have got inside. So it comes with a lifetime warranty, as you can see. Okay, ये काफी small है, but build quality looks good. It is, I think, extendable also. as आप इसमें से analyze कर सकते हो कि this would be the total kind of length of this tripod, and it is original GoPro product. Okay, and what else? Nothing else is there inside the box. That's it. इसको हम साइड रख देते हैं बाकी सब चीज़ों को. And let's come to our Mic Mini transmitter. Okay, so it comes with 1 year warranty and packaging looks good. Let's open it and see. Okay, this is a booklet. This pouch, ये pouch काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Now it's time for the product. Okay, nice. तो दो कलर के आपको ये फर मिल जाते हैं, which you can place it on your mic. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. So this is a DJI Mic Mini. Okay, and this is the magnet. This can be used. इसको हम लगा सकते हैं मैग्नेट के साथ. And then what else is there? Okay, so this is a charging adapter. And this is charging cable. Okay. This pouch is really good. I think can be used during travel. Now coming to our hero product, I'm certainly going to use this mic going forward and really looking for your feedback. It helps to improve the video quality and everything. So now coming to our hero product. Okay, so ये है हमारा GoPro Hero 13 और इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं अब और देखते हैं. So this is the seal we are going to make now. See, this is what you get inside. So this is the guideline. आपको पहले कैमरा को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा तब आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. Then subscribe to get most of your GoPro. ये कुछ स्टिकर्स है. एक और क्या है हमारा कैमरा. Wow. Let's remove it. Yeah. See, this is 13 GoPro. Your camera must be updated before you use it. Presenting brand new GoPro 13. इसको साइड में रख देते हैं और क्या मिलता है हमें केबल मिल रहा है. Then हमें बैटरी मिल रही है. ओके, ये होल्डर मिल रहा है और आई थिंक ये स्टिक करने के लिए है. Then stick it in the surface. Now और एक स्क्रू. Now it's time to set up our GoPro. GoPro को पावर ऑन करते हैं. Agree. GPS on. Turn on controls on. Confirm. Okay, now it's time to set up from mobile. Update is still going on. I think it is going to take a few minutes until the GoPro is ready to use. Oh wow, update complete. Congratulations, the setup is complete now.